Welcome, Bulldoggers, to this special episode of Big Stretch TVG. No dogs raised, sold, or bred for any illegal purposes. It's strictly for historical, entertainment, and educational purposes only. Stretch getting ready to give you a good understanding of STP's buck and the bloodlines and the breeders, and why this phenomenal dog, STP's Grand Champion buck, will go down in history as being one of the greatest American Pit Bull Terriers. Now, Bulldoggers, the success of buck would be in his breedings. Yep, the breeder. Yep, what they cross buck to will be very important. Tom Ratliff would take a female called Daisy May, who was inbred or double bred STP's champion Toro, who is a red boy Jocko dog, bred to a red boy dog. So it's red boy Jocko and red boy. It's what made up Ratliff Daisy May. Now, Daisy May was bred to STP's champion buck to produce Ratliff's champion Buckus, 4-time winner, and Undertaker or Gaston, Ms. Leakey. Phenomenal producing dogs. Now, Bulldoggers, Buckus is Ms. Leakey, right? The breeders of these dogs, Tom Ratliff with Buckus and Gaston with Ms. Leakey, were two different type breeders. Then we got Stone City Kennel breeding Awesome Baby to buck to produce Grand Champion Yellow Buck, Blondie, and Champion Piggy. The first generation buck bred to Red Boy Jocko proved to be a great cross. You know, Bulldoggers, Stratch really be talking about the history. Nothing recent. Yep, over 20 years ago. Now, Bulldoggers, that first generation buck produced Grand Champion Red Buck, a buck, Stompanato, and Buster Cross. Truly phenomenal. Another Grand Champion is Grand Champion Strictly Business Buster Brown, who is out of a buck and bulls cross. Truly phenomenal crosses from buck. You see, Bulldoggers, when you're breeding buck dogs or any dog, you either can go in or you can go out. The choice is yours, Bulldog. All right, Bulldoggers, let's see when they went in with the Buckus and Ms. Leakey. Brother-sister breeding produced Super Kennels Champion 357 registered married and Ratliff's Billy off of brother-sister breeding. Both phenomenal producing dogs. Yep. Great line of buck came down off of these two dogs right here. Now, when these two dogs were bred together, they produced a dog called Super Kennels Double ALT Buck. Phenomenal looking dog. Yep. When they went in with Buck. Now, Bulldoggers, let's look back in time when Tom Ratliff was breeding buckets. He bred buckets to Ratliff's Champion Spice to produce this phenomenal dog here. Ratliff's Champion Lefty, 4-time winner, 1-time loser, registered married. Now I was checking out Champion Lefty's pedigree, right? You're looking at Bolio, Red Boy Jocko, Zebo, and Chinaman. Tom Ratliff stacking them dogs. Now let's look at Champion Beamer, or Reed's Champion Beamer. Now you're looking at Tombstone Bolio, Red Boy Jocko, Red Boy, bred to the Anthony Robinsons, Red Boy, Medlin's Outlaw. Yeah, truly phenomenal breeding, Champion Beamer. Then we got West Penn's Baby, registered married. Buck Red Boy Jocko on top of Tombstone Bolio. Produced this registered married. Then we got Concrete Kennels Little Dick, Champion. Buck Red Boy Jocko on top of Red Boy Jocko. Truly phenomenal. Game dogs. The history of breeding buck dogs. The understanding. To get a true understanding of breeding buck dogs, you have to look no further than Gaston Williams. Yep. And Undertaker's Ms. Leakey. Ratliff's or Undertaker's Ms. Leakey was bred to Ratliff's Magoo, a son of STP's Grand Champion Buck, to produce Gaston's Champion Heartbreaker. Phenomenal looking dog. Great producing dog too. This dog actually is 5/8 STP's Grand Champion Buck. Undertaker's Red Buck Grand Champion was bred to Gaston's Rose to produce APR's Champion Bull Boy. Great looking dog and a great producing dog. Buck, top and bottom. I gotta tell you, Bulldoggers, Gaston really bred some great buck dogs. He really did. Some phenomenal buck dogs. Look at this one right here. Grand Champion Heartbreak Jr. Truly phenomenal. Buck dog. Top and bottom. Proven cross. We got an inbred right here, Bulldoggers. Gaston's Champion Boy. Inbred buck. Top and bottom. Phenomenal bred game dog. Now, Bulldoggers, Gaston would take Ms. Leakey and breed her to the Hollingsworth dogs, 2 of them, to produce phenomenal game dogs. Gaston Williams was producing great dogs, great buck dogs, great buck bred dogs. Well, Bulldoggers, let me give you a good little understanding about something. Gaston Williams was that dog man. Yep, he really was. But he had a secret. I call it a secret weapon. And Gaston's Tammy, registered married. Yep. That's that secret weapon of Gaston right there. Miss Leakey was a great producer. But Tammy was that bulldog. You see, Bulldoggers, I remember when Gaston's yard was killed, destroyed, raided. Yep. I also remember that I was at a buck dog breeder's house when they came back from Gaston's court case. Just so happens. And they told a friend of mine who sent them what happened. And Bulldoggers, now I just happened to be there. I'm shaking my head right now, just telling you the story. They said Harry took the stand on Gaston. Yep, that's what they said. Now, Bulldoggers, throughout the history, right, of strategists observing what's been going on throughout the decades of the sporting dog world, right, famous dogmen, or so-called famous dogmen, who had champions and grand champions, were telling on each other. Yeah, telling on each other. I remember Harry telling me, he said, when he won like 14 in a row, that they put the law on him. I know Harry. Been around Harry. Talked to Harry. Consider Harry a friend. Harry considered me a friend. And I was a friend. But I tell you, Bulldoggers, I knew the whole while I was around Harry what Harry did to Gaston. I really did, Bulldoggers. But I had to get them good dogs the man really had. Yep, Harry really had them. But let's get back to this buck dog history. Big Stretch TVG. Champion Loghead. Yep. Gaston's Champion Loghead. Phenomenal looking dog. A great buck dog as well. Yep. Loghead. Untouchable's Jim. Another phenomenal buck bred dog. Yep. Untouchable's Jim. Another one of them good buck dogs is Maiden's Buckeye. Yep. Maiden's Buckeye. In the history of the American Pit Bull Terrier, STP's buck bred dogs proved to be a great line of American Pit Bull Terriers by the breeders and by the dogmen who bred this phenomenal line. Great job. The history of the American Pit Bull Terrier. Big Stretch TBG. Stay tuned. More to come.